here, Robbie, come here.
Nothing.
Robbie, come here. Yes,
What you just had to say, Henry?
Today we are doing Guffs the biggest bird.
Nothing. I said nothing.
Today, let's see who has the most common wins. That.
Alright.
I only got. Oh, I got 3. When did I get 3?
Alright, buddy, you can stop now.
What's the most? Avery beat.
Wait.
Robbie only has 1. I'm winning.
I don't even know. Where is it? I'm trying to find the email, bro. That's not.
Oh, I'm the best guy to take the bus ride. I got great gates, brothers.
Game of John.
Yeah, Henry.
I'm the next one that has 3 wins too.
Okay, me and Henry have 3 wins.
I'm second.
Let's play some creative, bro.
At least we can do role play and the Battle Olympics and stuff.
Prince, that's not in the game! For the last time.
I guess not.
I'm just saying it's not in the game.
Wait, is custom matchmaking allowed for people who don't have creator codes?
No, you need a creator code for custom matchmaking.
Guys, look at me. I am walking down the steps like a king.
Bro just died. Somebody died already.
I know,
I'm
right?
getting the god chest.
I think mythic.
I take medallion.
Okay.
I guess I take this.
Guys, we gotta meet up somewhere. Cause this lobby is okay. Spawn with a DMR. Not that bad. Not that bad.
I found if I'm a purple. Cause I got a god chest.
Knocked 1 kid. Oh my god, this DMR is crazy without a scope.
Somebody already got it.
Not me. I didn't do
Someone
that.
else did. Avery, why'd you activate the boss?
I did it. I did it. There was some random person I killed.
But you're right
God.
next to the random person.
Yeah. I was killing them. They just randomly turned it on. I don't know why.
Guys, would anyone fight this guy?
Oh my gosh.
Henry, you got
I give it down.
No, I did medallion.
Anyone fight the king? Would anyone?
I did medallion. I'm the king.
Okay, I get mythic.
I'm the goat. I'm the goat.
Yeah, Henry's the goat, bro.
So I get the medallion. Give me some more meat. Thank you.
I need AR ammo.
AR.
Yes.
Kill the boss.
Kill the boss,
I
boss!
got $100.
$100, man!
Give me AR ammo.
Headshot. What? Why are you guys killing me? Give me the medallion.
Hey, give me the mythic, Abraham.
Gosh, I need
I
so
need
much
AR
meat.
ammo.
I have AR
no.
ammo. Come over here. There you go. I want some more meat. I need some more meat. Oh my gosh. Abraham needs meat.
I
I need
your...
everything.
Wait, what?
What?
I'm joking.
What did
More
he
meat.
say?
I was choking on you.
But
You wanna know what I
heals.
need? You wanna know what I
I
need?
need
Why-
heals. Thank you.
Got him. Emo, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him. Emo on him.
Yeah, emo. Okay.
Hey, let me emo.
Well, let's
Hey,
go,
Emo,
Emo.
Emo.
Yeah!
Emo.
Yeah.
You was killing. You psychopaths, bro. Let's go to the underworld.
Yeah, wonder. Hey, I just.
No, Henry gets it, cause Henry just started it. Can we go to the underworld? Bet. Oh, we're getting targeted by these Ohio's. How did I not shoot him? Bro,
Oh,
how
you're
they
not
died?
this thing.
Hey,
Guys, what the heck?
No, that's my arrow! No!
Gary.
No, Ibrahim! Skibbity toilet
Yes.
God.
Let me in.
Let him in.
Alright, Ibrahim, you drive.
Hey,
I'll stand above. No, Henry, let Ibrahim drive. Oh, yeah, bad, fine. Henry, we gotta drive.
Mark where we're going.
Kill him.
Underworld.
Well, let's go to Restore the Reels. Get that supply drop. Get the supply drop.
I call supply drop.
No, I call supply drop.
No,
I
got
No, I
supply
got
drop. I
nothing.
don't go.
Ibrahim gets the supply drop.
No,
No, Ibrahim or Robbie, whoever goes there first. Come on!
Get him.
Robbie, get out the car. Get out the car!
I need it, guys.
Robbie, shut up! We're trying to get the supply drop! Oh my god! Robin, how much fuel do we have, bro? Okay, I'm getting that supply drop. I don't think not.
No, it's mine.
Why do we-
Gamer Josh, it's mine. No, give
I
it
have a
mine.
three
Come on!
No.
Get it!
No, it's mine.
Guys, give it mine.
No, Henry, you took the medallion, man, so you gotta give it to that man.
And give it.
This what? That's what it
Bro,
was.
that's trash. I wish I got all the ammo. Oh, guys, I hear
what
fighting.
am I
Let's go
gonna
help Ibrahim. Ibrahim is getting
Bro,
full
I
box.
was the goat.
Ibrahim just got the box!
I'm always the
You
goat,
think that's
and you guys didn't
disrespect?
give me the supply drop.
You're not the goat.
There you go.
Oh, full box! Everyone's fighting over there. Guys, the birds can fly. Go can finally fly. He's out of hibernation.
You're not the goat. But
It's just the perfect time because his wings are back. This is Guffs' wings. And now I'm back. He about to thunder bomb these nutties.
Bro, I have no.
Full box! You don't mess with us!
I'm lagging so bad.
He's got a sniper. I'm getting full box.
Oh, I'm lagging so bad.
Full box. Oh, I'm too good. I am too good. I wish we just full box everyone.
no way.
Guys, where's the guy basing, okay? Wait.
Oh, I hear more fighting.
Shoot the tires! Shoot the tires! I can't get out of these tires!
Wait, I shot things away.
Don't let me get out of these tires!
Press X.
There's so much people!
How is it wrong?
That's their whole teaming! I'm kidding. I mean, there's like
But I shot way.
59. Knock! Oh my god, this is the greatest clutch of my life. Are they teaming? Wait, were they teaming?
No scope! No scope! Never mind. No,
That's my crown! Oh,
I already have a crown set
oh
up.
you already have a crown.
Can I have it?
This is
'Cause
crazy.
No, Rami, oh my god, it's his crown. He earned it, we died. So we can't be talking.
you already have a crown. Doesn't he already have a crown?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I do have a crown.
Does anyone want sniper ammo?
Me?
I have me, no, me.
Actually,
First one to get
actually,
it
no,
in.
I don't need it.
Bet. Let's all go to a Baluta Island if there is. Oh, let's go to this. Let's go
dare
to
you.
this.
How do I tell it?
Let's
People.
go where?
Okay, Robbie, this thing has low fuel.
Hey, actually, where are we going?
We're going to the purple bar. And the
Guys, let me in.
Oh no, we're going to the place with the fighting. I'm gonna ram him.
I got it.
If he has a
I got it.
thunderbolt, give me it.
No one has Thunderbolt right now. Wait, does anyone have Thunderbolt?
I don't.
No.
Bro, mantle. I shot his toes.
Bro, the DMR without any scope is the Abraham. I am driving. Fine, whatever. Abraham, oh my god.
And then you mantle it.
Okay, let's go.
Abraham, you're driving.
Right.
Not Robbie, not
Oh,
Robbie.
yes.
Henry, get on. No, let Henry get on, cause he only started. Alright. Hey, we're Nemo boy. Go there! Go there!
Get back to work! Get back to work.
No, no.
Then say you can stop working.
Guys,
It's
Hey!
battlefield.
No! Wait for Robbie! Abraham, okay, I'm in front of you, okay? Okay?
Guys, hurry up.
Alright, go.
I don't even know where we're going.
Alright, fine, I got
what?
it.
At the purple mark.
At the purple mark.
No fuel, Robbie.
I don't have any movement.
A car.
I mean, it does deserve a little bit.
Wait.
L. You did. So that's.
Somebody already got it.
I have no mobility. Can somebody give me a mobility?
Somebody already got it.
Who's driving the car?
Me.
Oh, I have another car.
Somebody.
Someone just go box it.
Hey, give me that! That has one. Give me that one.
Come on. Blue Island, boys. No, I hear a lot of fighting. I'm going there.
If you hear a lot of fighting, why did you go there?
Because I love to get killed. I have 10 kills if you didn't know.
I got 6.
Guys, in the end, we got a sky base.
I know.
No, we have to go to.
No, guys, in the end, we got a sky base, and then we're gonna everyone dive bomb the first one. Just save
How's
your
lightning,
wings.
though?
Save your wings.
I got lightning. How about I lightning?
No,
I don't have wings.
get wings. Alright, Loot Island has plenty of wings. Go to Loot Island. You guys are all in the same car.
Yeah, nobody cares about those people any. Oh, never mind. Bro, what the frick? They're all shooting. Guys, one of you raise me.
Yeah, guys, res.
Raise me. Yeah.
Come on.
Whoever
I'm coming.
doesn't get a crown.
Full box.
What are you doing? I was
Yeah,
behind
res him.
Henry, I wasn't coming for the crown. Henry, take on me, brother. Oh, you already have that.
Guys, we gotta go.
Guys, let's go to Loot Island and get some fresh pair of wings. And no thunderbolting.
I have thunderbolt.
There is no thunderbolt, Henry. We'll give you
I
one
have a
if you get
thunderbolt.
one.
I have a thunderbolt. I only have one. So
I have 0. Look at this. Guys, can anyone do this?
Easy win. It has wings. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hey, give me those wings. Oh my.
What?
Oh,
guys,
can
guys,
somebody this versus a wing. This is wing.
Alright, guys, I gotta go after this game.
Okay, nobody wants it. Okay.
Oh, I did not mean to do that.
We can start the sky base now on Blue Island, maybe.
Guys, I gotta go after this game, so let's make it worth it. Alright, no one kill anyone. Any players.
Any player?
I mean kill people. Wait, there's a wall down here, huh?
Yeah.
A modding bench!
Yeah, there's always been a modding bench there.
So I got the W. Go for a W thing.
Guys, just start the sky
I
base.
got the vault. That storm's coming.
Let's go to the circle.
We are in circle.
No, we're not.
Sky base here. Sky base here.
Yeah,
We're good, we're in circle, we're in circle.
Mommy, you're cooking.
Yo, we're in
Mommy, you're
circle.
cooking.
We're in circle, guys. We're good, we're good.
Start sky base. Start
Yeah. Guys. We have to be in the edge of the let me just take
I
care
don't
of you.
have any wings.
It's okay, Henry. We got you.
We got you. Do you have lightnings?
I have one.
Start sky base.
Yeah, guys, I don't have any metal. Yep, I just ran out of metal.
I got some metal.
Here. I got some wood. I have full wood.
Oh, I have max wood. Rami, come up and give it to me.
I have max everything.
Bruh. Alright, guys, we have to wait at like the edge of the safe zone, so no one sees us.
Why are they in Blue Island?
Oh, they're just coming up.
Oh, bruh, I almost fell.
Bruh.
No, I'm jumping off after this.
Wait. That's it. Let's just stay up here. No, Henry, don't build. We're just gonna stay up here. Rami, I swear I will knock you down. I will knock you down, okay? If you don't knock me down.
I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna drop.
I'm truce.
Choose.
I won't fight you if you knock me down. Oh, guys, we see 2 medallion kids. Wait, no one build. We're in the edge of the zone, because then people won't really look at us. I wish I had the thermal scope on my DMR so I can just see people. Should I go back into Storm to get that thermal DMR? Because there's a modding game.
No. It's right. That's so far away. No.
But if I see people, I'm just gonna snipe.
No. Oh yeah, sure, we're not. And Henry, when you see the people, mark them, okay? There's 2 medallion kids, one with the Ares weapon and one with the Zeus.
Bro, let's get to the circle.
Oh yeah, we gotta get to circle. Come on. Okay, can someone drop all their metal to me? Rami, drop. No, guys, don't go that way. Rami, Henry, no, Henry, come back.
I have max metal.
No, that can make a fake out.
Oh yeah, do that. Nah.
People might just knock our boat.
Guys, look, it's a Spawn Island.
Oh, bro, let's go to Spawn Island.
Robbie, that's big dreams.
I think that's
It's already in the storm, bro.
Yeah. And Storm's like 5-tick or something. Close to 5-tick.
No, it's like a 5,000.
No, it's a 2-tick right now.
Let's go to Spawn Island.
Yo, the train is literally below us. I mean, not below us.
Wait, they can see us skybasing because we have a medallion.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, well, only
Take it off right now. Take it off right now.
No, what does the medallion do?
It gives you the dash.
Okay, we're in circle, so just.
Whoa.
I'm the one that has the medallion.
Yeah, Henry, it's okay. You can have the medallion. No, over here. Do not find fun. Alright, that's it. That's the last build. I'll just look down because they must be somewhere here. Yo, look at this guy. It's crazy.
Bro, there's
guys.
people there.
That's
There's no
okay.
people there. It's a danger.
The name of the video will be Guffs is the biggest bird and can you skybase in chapter 5 season 2.
Yes, you can definitely do it.
And guys,
We should make a myth
I'm
video.
positive that we're gonna
We
win.
should make a myth video for a different.
Oh yeah,
video, we should make a
down
myth.
there. I see. Ooh,
Really sorry.
don't.
Henry, be careful. Get back up. Stay.
We're definitely in the circle.
Bro, like 19 people are online.
How I don't know where we are now,
Wait,
bro.
don't,
It's so stupid.
no, don't snipe them yet. Don't snipe them anymore. Oh, we're in zone, we're in zone. This is perfect. Oh, this is good stuff.
Right there, right there. Stop shooting, Brahim.
I think they're occupied now.
Henry, stop, please.
No.
Oh my God, no.
Just stop.
Oh, I got him!
I'm gonna jump off, even though
Oh my
there's
God,
no-
don't.
Wait, should I jump off in the water?
No.
Yeah, Henry, jump off. Oh, wait.
No.
No.
I don't jump off, Henry. I think they knocked her. Okay, they did.
They're probably gonna break down our base.
No one's gonna do it. Oh, they're rotating over here. You see them birds? Knock them down.
Guys, 2 people left. 2 people left.
2 people left. Don't knock them down. Don't knock them. Come back. Come on. Everyone come back.
110!
19.
Hey, no one knock anyone. No one knock anyone anymore. Guys, we're
I
gonna...
hit somebody 110 out of the
Guys,
air.
come back. Guys, come back.
No, I have to find the guy that I
No,
hit.
Henry. There's only 1
110.
player left. No. Don't do it. We're gonna, all of
So
us gonna
somebody
dive bomb
killed-
with birds.
Somebody killed the person that I killed.
No, Henry, don't go in the storm.
Bruh.
Guys, we're breaking all this build right now. Wait, guys, everyone get out of
There's
this.
two
Abraham,
people
get out of
left.
that build. I'm editing it off.
There's 2 people left.
You know.
Look, but there's 6.
No one killed that last 2 people, okay? I'm only gonna edit when I tell everyone that I'm editing.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell.
I
I have a medkit, so I can take it.
Okay,
Everyone get to this. Everyone get. Abraham, come back. I'm editing it in 10. 9. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, guys, this is crazy.
Go.
We gotta rotate to like right.
Oh snap.
Yo,
We have
rotate.
to go back almost. So rotate.
Wait,
Rotate a
let me
little
mark
bit.
that place.
I'm in the storm.
Okay, get out soon.
Bro, there's people all doing.
Don't panic.
What
I'm gonna use
was
my
it?
thermal. I'm gonna use
no
my
one build
thermal.
anymore. No one build anymore. That's it. No building.
We gotta.
Okay, alright, we got it.
A chest right there.
Bro,
Bro, that's good vision. Bro, that's the best vision I've ever seen.
You know, one time I was skybasing and then I spotted a llama, bruh.
Get your sneaky ass.
Oh, one person
Wait,
left. Final.
I think they might die to storm. No one kill anyone. No one kill the last person. Because we're all gonna dive bomb with birds.
Wait,
I only have my wood left.
guys, we have 31 kills as a team.
Yo, that's crazy. Wait, guys, everyone look down.
Hey, give me the medallion back.
Guys, I see the medallion right there. Oh, I see a building. Everyone dive bomb, okay?
I have
Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait, but I don't have wings.
That's
Hey.
lightning. Do lightning.
I'll just dash.
Come on. Dive bomb. Kill him! Hey, guys, thunderbolt him, thunderbolt. No, thunderbolt, and you can only use only thunderbolt. And let's go! Guffy, I want to play with the Guffy.
Look how much sounders I have.
Guys, thank you so much for watching, like, and subscribe. The Guffs are the best birds alive. The chickens will be annihilated.
So that's the lobby, guys.
Guffs is a bird part.
I know.